welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cody Slay Queen, as you all know. So today the makeup that we're going to be doing is to, slay anywhere makeup. If you wanted to go to the restroom, if you wanted to slay, if you wanted to go to the kitchen, you wanted to slay, you want to go to the store, you wanted to slay, wherever you wanted to go, you want to slay, you want to look clean, look popping without any huge makeup on your face. Just quick slay up makeup. So stay tuned and watch this video. If you're watching me for the first time, also if you are new here in this club, the Slay Queen Club, remember to click that subscription button down there, and also click the notification bell, just click that bell so that every time I upload my video, you're going to be the first person to know. So now let's get started. As you can see, my face is looking like fresh, nice, neat, moisturized. But for that, my quick makeup, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to prime my face. We gotta prime. So today I'm going to be using the NYX Honeydew Up Primer. I'm going to be using that as my primer today. I'm just going to, ooh, it's honey drawing, baby. Press by it, whichever one. Then I'm going to, just, well, so after priming my face, the next thing that I'm going to be doing, as you all know, the first thing I usually do when I'm doing my makeup is my eyebrows and my eyeshadow. But with this quick slay hop thing that we are doing right now, I'm going to be applying my foundation first. So now we are going to be using a BB cream. We only want to slay real quick. We don't want to do too much. So I'm not going to be using my foundation today. I'm going to be using the Kiss New York Aqua BB Beauty Balm. Apply that to my face. Oh, I'm almost out. But guys, we're going to slay. There's nothing going to keep us from slaying. So we have to slay, like a quick slay. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M439 brush just to blend it all out. So for me, I'm a really big fan of full coverage foundation. I don't like anything, light to medium. I like medium to full. I like full. So I'm going to be going in one more time with the cream. And when I bought this, I actually bought this on Amazon, and I get it for like $8 or so, maybe $10. And you can also get it from your beauty supply store. It's probably gonna be more expensive or cheaper, I don't know. But this foundation right here, this BB cream right here, it's the bomb. Like it's really good. So now after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to conceal just a little bit of my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bows, and also my chin, just to give it a little light so that we can set it up. So I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Just a little. The Queen Slayer. If you're new, welcome to the club. Subscribe, click that subscription button right there. Don't just come and go just like that. No. Next thing that I'm going to be doing is to contour, and I'm going to be using the Black Upper True color, and this is in Ebony Brown. Just going to go in a little bit with my contour stick. And I'm gonna blend. because we're slaying the red way. I'm going to be doing is to, just give me a little bronze. Then I'm going to bronze my face up a little bit just to give it that warmth that I need. I'm going to be using that to, bronze it up. I'm going to be applying my eyebrows. In front. I'm going to be bringing that concealer down all the way to my eyelid, just to press my eye down for the eyeshadow. To set. We are here to slay to the restroom, to slay to the kitchen, to slay to the wherever we wanted to slay to. We are slaying today. So the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using today is the Sahara by Juvia's. And I'm going to be going in with this. I'm going to be going in with this eyeshadow right here first. This one into my crease. I'm using that to color that I'm gonna be going in with is this color right here, and this is called Jamila. All over my lid. So that's it, we're done. The next thing that I'm going to be applying is I'm going to be applying a little glitter. So I'll be using the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Hat, and this is in Desert Dazzle in 080 right there. Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black now. So I'm gonna be using that to line my eyes. So now that that has been done, the next thing I'll be doing is to apply my mascara. Today we are not going to be using any false lashes because we don't have time. So I'm going to be using the Super Hero Eats mascara. now that that has been done, the next thing I'm gonna be doing is to, you know, dust off whatever I have going on right here on the bridge of my nose. Going in with this color right here. Start lip paint. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do something to my hair, then I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and if you like it, if you like this makeup that I did today, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're watching me for the first time, and remember to turn on the notification bell also, so that every time I upload my video, then you're gonna be the first person to know. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.